Welcome to Yoga Magic with Trisha. You have the power to unlock a powerful instrument that is already in your body, and that is your breath. Your breath is your life force that gives you vitality, strength, energy, and allows your body to function. Your breath is your best friend. So join me as we learn more about breathing exercises called Pranayama so you can center the body, center the mind. Pranayama is the exercise of conscious breathing. By placing all your focus on your breath, it allows you to be fully present and mindful of the current moment. Sri B.K.S. Iyengar says, these rhythmic patterns strengthen the respiratory system, soothe the nervous system, and reduce cravings. As desires and cravings diminish, the mind is set free and becomes a fit vehicle for concentration. When we are stressed, the body experiences fight or flight or freeze mode, which will signal to the body to tense up and can manifest in forms of tension headaches, neck pain, insomnia, and the inability to focus, among many other things. By taking the time to slow down the breathing, we are helping the body to self-regulate the nervous system and relax the muscles by controlling the mind. There are several yogic breathing exercises. Today we will cover 3 of them. First is Nadi Sodhana, or alternate nose breathing. 2 is Ujjyai Breathing, or victorious breath. And number 3 is a 4-part breathing, or box breathing. The most ideal time to practice is first thing in the morning after waking up, to start your day in a calm and mindful manner. Start with a few minutes per day and gradually increase over time. But know that you can practice at any time throughout the day. If you are in an intense situation, such as traffic jam, in an argument, or in the middle of your stressful job, start to pay attention. Notice if you're shallow breathing. Shallow breathing means that your inhales and your exhales are shorter than usual. It almost feels like hyperventilating. And if you start to recognize that within your own body, then pause. Try one of these breathing exercises to recalibrate and recenter. Come to a comfortable seat in a quiet place. Sit as tall as you can with your spine straight, shoulder blades back, and melt the shoulders away from your ears. Take a few moments to settle into your space, to ground yourself, and to welcome yourself to your breathing practice. The act of acknowledging the space and the practice is already a mindful exercise on its own. It centers your attention and pulls in your intention for mindful breathing. You are signaling to your body and brain that this is where 100% of my attention will be for the next few moments. Nadi Sodhana, or alternate nose breathing, is a breathing exercise in which you can isolate each inhale and each exhale through one nostril only to complete a breath cycle. Sodhana means to purify or to cleanse. So the object of Nadi Sodhana is to purify the nerves. The blood receives a larger supply of oxygen than in normal breathing, so that one feels refreshed and the nerves are calmed and purified. The mind becomes still and lucid. Use this breathing technique as a way to cleanse toxins, balance the respiratory system, calm the anxious mind by increasing focus and concentration. Feel your nervous system relax after completing Nadi Sodhana. Start by trying it for a few minutes each day and then gradually increase over time. To practice Nadi Sodhana, take the two peace fingers on your right hand to the space between your eyebrows to tap into your third eye chakra. This activates your enlightenment, awareness. Your right thumb will be outside of your right nostril, and your ring finger and pinky finger will be outside of your left nostril. Plug your left nostril and take a long inhale into your right nostril. Hold at the top, and then plug your right nostril, open up your left nostril, and fully exhale out. Take an inhale into your left nostril, hold at the top, and plug your left nostril, open up the right nostril, and exhale out. That is one full cycle. Try to even out the length of each inhale and exhale per nostril. If this feels difficult, be patient with yourself and keep breathing, my friend. Try this with me. Inhale into your right nostril. Hold at the top. Exhale out through your left. Inhale left. Hold at the top. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold at the top. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold at the top. Exhale right. One more full cycle. Inhale right. Hold at the top. Exhale left. Inhale left. And exhale right. Slowly ease out of it. Breathe in and out through both nostrils. Notice the softness that has entered your body. Notice the difference in your shoulders between now and when you first started. Observe the stillness of the mind. Beautiful job. Slowly open the eyes. Ujjayi breathing is also known as oceanic breathing or victorious breath. It conveys the sense of preeminence and power. It is the process in which the lungs are fully expanded and the chest is puffed up like a proud warrior. You create the loud sound of the ocean by constricting the back of your throat as you exhale. To come into Ujjayi breathing, inhale into the nose as you normally would. Then start to constrict the back of the throat and let the exhalation pass through the top palate of your mouth as you breathe out. Try it with me. Take an inhale in. Constrict the throat. Exhale out. The constriction at the back of the throat creates that sound of the ocean waves. You can try this breathing technique as you move through sequences in the middle of class to focus your attention as you practice your asanas. Take a breath in. Constrict the throat. Exhale out. One more breath in. And a long exhale out. Practice your Ujjayi breathing as you move through your asana to increase your focus and your concentration. The final breathing technique that we will cover is called box breathing. This is especially helpful for high stress situations so you can focus your mind and manage your stress better. It's called box breathing because you can visualize drawing a box in your mind, or even take your pointer finger and draw a box in the air with each part. The first part is an inhale into the nose and draw a line from the bottom left corner going up. Then hold the breath for a count of 4 seconds. Draw a line going out to the right. As you exhale, draw a line going down for a count of 4. Then hold the breath at the bottom, drawing a line out to the left for a count of 4. That's one full round of box breathing. Let's try this together. Take an inhale and draw a line up for a count of 4. 3, 2, 1. Hold at the top, draw a line out to the right for 4, 3, 2, 1. Take an exhale out, draw a line to the bottom for 4, 3, 2, 1. Then hold the breath at the bottom. Draw a line out to the left for a count of 4. 3, 2, 1. One more round. Take a breath in for 4. 3, 2, 1. Hold at the top for a count of 4. 3, 2, 1. Take an exhale out for 4. 3, 2, 1. Hold at the bottom for 4. 3, 2, and 1. Bring the breath back to normal and notice the difference in your body. Thank you for joining me. Hope you feel relaxed, rejuvenated, and restored. I'll see you next time, my friend. From my heart to yours, thank you.